Hey, you already know what it is. It's your boy DB Live in the building. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. But guess what? I decided, because I'm trying to give out the best value, hands down, that you need to join my email listing. Why? Because I'm delivering the content that you need. You hear me? So first of all, I have a free PDF if you're just getting started. I have a free course that gives you the basic understanding of the strategies that I use if you're just not watching me for the first time. So here's a free Onlyfans course for you. If you're watching these videos and this is a video you watch 1,000 times, please make sure you like it and please make sure you comment down below, because it really helps me boost in the algorithm, and that algorithm makes a difference for people to know that they're getting the best content about OnlyFans out here because of me. So the squad, please make sure you like it. So the people who are just knowing I produce the best content, maybe this is the second video you've ever watched, you're like, yo, this dude here. Please make sure you comment down below. Please make sure you subscribe, because it helps a brother out, okay? And in that exchange, I'm going to grow, you're going to grow, because I'm going to be able to deliver more content and really know that I'm the best out there and stop being pushed up all these pretty faces. I want to have a prettier face, but I can't fucking help what God gave me, okay? But he gave me the ability to help people out, so I'm going to try to give y'all that right there, you know what I'm saying? So the free course is going to be for your ability to get some of the content that we're dropping and we're working on that I may not drop on my YouTube, but I'm going to drop to you guys first in my email listings, and you get a free course, you get the free beginning, the free strategy, free PDFs, free I'm over here dropping knowledge. Why? Sometimes I charge a lot for my courses because I want people to take that serious. I want you to come in my coaching and kill it. But for the free course, I'm giving that information away for free. Why? Because I want you to still get great information that can make you succeed. If you're a person who takes action, you're like, yo, I'm just trying to get this information, I'm trying to get help. Hey, that's what the email course is for. That's what the beginning course is for. And it's there for you to win. Okay? So let's talk about this. Because even though I'm in a free course, we're going to talk about what we talk about in a free course. The strategy. The 3-step strategy, which is have traffic, have conversions, and I don't have another finger, have sales way over here. You know what I'm saying? Traffic, conversions in the middle, sales over here. God, man. I tried, dude. Traffic, conversions, sales over here. Ooh. Practice makes perfect. Okay. Sorry. Okay, but let's talk about this. Free OnlyFans course. I'm going to talk about how you strategy, how you use traffic, turns it into conversions, and we make sales. We use a 3-platform place. If you watch any of my videos, you know I say this all the time. It's free page to paid page. If you haven't set it up, you probably shouldn't even be in my course, because you're working on some basic. And if you're working on basic, you ain't trying to win. And if you ain't trying to win, you probably don't want to be kicking it with me and my team and what we're doing, because we're here to take people to the next level. And that's it. Okay? Okay, just so you know that. So let's talk about step one. Step one is to set everything up. Knowing that your welcome letter is your most important bid on selling somebody the first time. Knowing that throughout history, most people need a 7-time engagement before they actually create and purchase something from you. So you need to hit some people 7 times before they actually take a chance of purchasing something with you. And most people don't think about that because they don't start getting people to sell on the first one. They're like, there's a waste of time. He doesn't want to buy. Customers throughout history have needed 6 to 7 touches before they decided to purchase. That's why girls who already have huge following are making so much money, because people are already touching them and they are ready to go. You got to spend a little bit more money, time, and energy when you're first getting started to build a brand. And once you build a brand, the brand starts to create its own recognition. It starts selling for itself. Coca-Cola sells, but it doesn't really have to sell as much for itself because its brand speaks volumes, right? If it was Beyonce, brand speaks volumes. You've seen it. If you see these other girls who have 100,000 followers, they were already there popping. That's why they're trying to make $100,000, and they're trying to teach you about how to do it, but they're not teaching you how to garner attention, which is the most important thing. You can't just sell on OnlyFans without attention. That's all I got to say about that. You can't sell on OnlyFans without attention. So make sure you get into the free course. Make sure you start learning from us in our email categories. Book a call with us if you really, really need help. Join the membership course if you really, the coaching, if you really want to go hard. You're like, I'm prepared, man. I'm tired of waiting, bro. I need some wins. Get into our coaching course. We will change the game on your insights of how we work this system and really change the way that you get in the game. All right? I appreciate you guys. You guys have a wonderful day. Girls and guys, everyone out there, please make sure you subscribe to my page. Comment down below because I need your help because I'm not the cutest. Help a brother out. Subscribe to the page. Make sure you comment. I'll see you on the other side. This your boy DB Live. You already know. Let's get it.